Hi guys, my name is Denis Kulikov, and today we will be talking about cap tricks or cap tricking. And after this lesson, you will find a lot of my tutorials about like basic movements in cap tricking, and also then I will upload some combos or choreo, but it will take times. Yeah, but anyway, I'm sure that first of all we should talk not only about movements, and you also should know some information. So for example, what is it cap tricking? So about like little this culture, and about some people who were good in this, and also you should know where to find this information, because you could find in YouTube and internet a lot of free tutorials, and it's kind of good when you learn these tutorials, like kind of basic steps, which you then could apply to your dance. So cap tricking is the phenomenon which located, as I see, on the crossroads between dancing and like skills when magician or juggler, I think it's called in English. I want to check to be sure. It's like conjurer or juggler, yeah. So people who do all of this stuff with like balls, and they have a lot of stuff with a cap or hat. And when we use their skills in a dance, we have a cap trick, so cap tricking. So think number one. There is a very important to remember about music, because when I see a lot of dancers who do a cap trick, they forget about the music, so they start to do only tricks. Okay, next tricks. Okay, like something next tricks. So trick, but then they don't listen to the music. So this edge between dancing and not dancing. So this is a music. So you should remember every time, rule number one, don't become a juggler. It's cool, yeah, it's really cool too, but this is different. If you want to apply cap tricking in a dance, every time try to listen to the music, so you should understand the beat. And if you listen like clap, so if you do swing, so it should be on a clap, like clap. If you do something like this, it should be on a clap, like clap. If you do like on something with your head, like clap, not just working on movement, and you just look at me, I could do this, I could do that. No, it's not interesting. It's interesting, but it's another way. So if you work in as a dancer, first of all, be sure that you work with the music. Yes, you could create a lot of like how to say, a lot of combos, a lot of choreo, but if it is not with the music, if it's not follow the music, so it's have no so a lot of sense. So this rule number one.